Okay, we're going to talk about section 2.4, which is on deductive reasoning. And deductive reasoning is the process of showing that certain statements follow logically from agreed upon assumptions and proven facts. So that's kind of a mouthful. What does that mean? So solving algebraic equations is an example of using deductive reasoning because you provide us a reason for each step in solving that equation, and that's how it differs from inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning, remember, is looking for patterns and coming up with generalizations about those patterns, whereas deductive reasoning is using steps that we've all agreed on that work. So, for example, I'm going to do problem number 2 on worksheet 2.4. So you might want to get that worksheet out and follow along with this example for that problem. Okay, so first it tells us that angle A and angle D are complementary, and then it tells us that angle A and angle E are supplementary. All right, so, and then you're supposed to conclude something about angle D and E. Well, first of all, and then always explain your answer. So first of all, we know that since A is complementary to D, we know that A plus B equals 90 degrees because that's the definition of complementary. And we also know that since A and E are supplementary, we know that angle A plus angle E equals 180 because that's the definition of supplementary. So since A plus D equals 90, that means that D is 90 minus A. And since A plus E is 180, I know that E is equal to 180 minus A. So, therefore, that's what this little thing right here means. Therefore, if D is 90 minus A and E is 180 minus A, then I can conclude that angle E is greater than angle D. And remember what I said about drawing a picture. So if A and D are complementary, that means that they're a 90-degree angle. And A and E is supplementary, meaning they form a straight line, then it stands to reason that E has to be greater than D. And that's an example of deductive reasoning. And that's really all you're going to be doing for 2.4.